Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kortez and I'm a graphic artist here at Siser North America. Today I'm going to show you how you can make something like this for your startup or current business using our Siser EasyColor DTV. Let's get it.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So I'll give you a quick rundown if you don't know what EasyColor is. It's a printable heat transfer vinyl that comes in your standard copy paper size, which is great because I was able to use my home desktop inkjet printer to print these for my design. Don't have a printer at home? It's not a problem because you can go to a library that has inkjet printers, or you could stop by your closest FedEx or UPS and have them swap out their paper for your EasyColor DTV. So for my design, I chose images based on a message that I wanted to convey. And if you're like me, being a beginner at photography comes with its challenges, especially when you're trying to land that perfect picture for the right occasion. But don't sweat it, because instead of trying to take the perfect picture for your design, there are sites like Unsplash and Pexels that allow you to take and use images for free, which is exactly where I pulled the images from in my design. I also edited these photos in Adobe Photoshop and created my text in Illustrator. But if you're trying to save a few bucks or not spend any at all, there are free resources to help you get your apparel designs going. Those being Canva, Inkscape, and Pixlr. These sites can give you the inspiration and push to take your design further, and they are pretty beginner friendly. Now, what I'm doing here is cutting part of my design, which is mostly text, and it's made using our gray and white EasyWeed. But I'm using the EasyWeed for text instead of EasyColor because the EasyColor is great for printing images, so photos straight from your phone or from Google will work perfectly. You can use EasyColor for images within your text if you'd like to, but for this piece, I'm happy with how I'm using the materials. Now let me tell you, if this product existed before I started my business, then this is a route that I would have taken over screen printing or DTG. Now, while those methods of production has its advantages, they come with variables that are stressful enough to keep your nights sleepless and days exhausting. So from experience, EasyColor is cheaper and faster than both methods. And because you can layer it on other materials and vice versa, the possibilities are absolutely endless. Alright, so after prepping for application and my heat press is ready to go, I sort of place my images and text where I'd like everything to be. One of the great things about EasyColor is that it presses around the same temp and time as EasyWeed, which is around 310 for about 15 seconds. So now that I know where my EasyWeed and EasyColor is going to be on my shirt, I heat apply the EasyWeed first because it's going to then show where my EasyColor is going to be. And if you press down on the EasyColor with heat multiple times, the longevity of the material itself will be compromised. Either the colors in the vinyl will start to not appear so vibrant, or it just won't hold up after so many washes. And there you have it, your very own custom tee ready to hit the streets. So hopefully this video gives you a bit of inspiration or an idea on how you can use EasyColor. I highly recommend you go out and get as much of this DTV as you can, and if you make something with it, tag and show us in the socials. I'll leave a link to where you can check out the materials I use down below in the description, along with the free resources. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the big red subscribe button down below and give us a like. Leave a comment or a question, and most of all, stay creative. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.